Secrets whisper through the walls. Laughter hides behind the chairs in this house of endless calls. Shadowed figures sipping tea in a parlor dimly lit. Creeping thoughts that never sleep, where the curious